Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation we're going to see how we go about turning on and off the Windows Firewall on Server 2016. I'm currently logged on to my primary domain controller DC1, and to get this lab started, let's go and right click on our Start button, and from the menu go ahead and select Control Panel. Once you're inside of the Control Panel, just go ahead and open up your Windows Firewall. And from here, over on the left menu, you can see the option to turn Windows Firewall on or off. Currently, all my 3 firewalls are turned on, so I can double click this. I can select the radio button under each firewall option and disable it. I can click OK. Now my 3 firewalls are turned off. You may want to do this for testing. You may want to do this to see if something's working or not working as far as ports or your networking is concerned. Now, if you want to turn it back on very quickly, just go ahead and click on the Use Recommended Settings, and your firewalls are again enabled.